Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 GS 350. The GS 350 boasts a powerful engine with a lot of horsepower output under its hood. Yet this beautifully built car remains a luxury sedan first and foremost with its plush interior, high-tech amenities, and impressive standard equipment, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.